out here. It's warm, but I got a nice little breeze coming in.
Definitely breezy.
But I like that breeze. It gets those fish moving around a little bit. Maybe a crankbait fish today or whatever. They're gonna do that first, and then obviously move shallow at some point. All that bait's up there. But I just hope we catch some good.
Oh yeah, dude.
Let's do it.
We're both due for a giant. So
Sure, dude.
stay tuned for that.
All right,
let's put
go.
that out into the universe.
I like that. Good vibes. Yeah, the grass is getting real higher.
I got hit. There, exactly. Way back. It's a good fish. Coming up. Come on, buddy. Thanks.
Woohoo!
Heavy, but
Yeah.
skinny. Shot a bait. Too bad right there. Yeah, definitely 2 pounds. There you go. Gonna go?
Yeah, oh, a little shake, little shake. I got a good one.
Good.
Yep. A real good one. Oh, dude.
Oh, yeah.
It's going up. Here we go. Yes.
That's 4. That's 3 at least.
Heck yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for the net, dude. Appreciate it. Whew. Yes.
Drop shot?
Nope.
Oh,
Understand. Oh, yeah. Yes. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. When that thing jumped, bro, I was 5.
Ooh. Ooh, yeah, 3-ish.
You got there. Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. That's sweet.
There
That's
you
4. What do you think?
Whew.
Good fish.
All right, guys. Ah, come on.
That's 4, right?
Nope, 3.8. I knew it was, I had a feeling it was just under 3.8. Thanks, dude. Couple good ones, actually. Probably a 2.8 and a 3.8, I would imagine. Oh. Whew. Nice one on the
Oh, yeah.
freaking
Were you just slow rolling it?
BFS. Yep.
Oh, that was the BFF.
Yep.
What's the drag on that thing?
Pretty solid, dude. Really good, actually. It sounds a little weird. I've had nothing but good experience with casting though, with their drag.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes. Nice catch, buddy.
I was gonna let him come
Quit.
out.
Quit.
I lifted it into the
That was
sky.
sick, bro. That was freaking
It's such a big net.
sweet. That is a nice fish.
I got the scale ready for everyone.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Right by that wood. Yeah. Little guy. Ski fish. Right on that wood, huh? All right, dude. I don't know, they're not like chasing though. I'm gonna have to throw a little D shot at them. Try to find him again. Oh, there's the bait. Now I see it. Right here, yeah. You're going right through it. Yep. Oh yeah, he's chunker. It's like, no, I got him. Go ahead and fish.
You sure?
I'll scoop him up. I think I hooked him good. He's a chunky guy.
Oh, I got the double, bro.
Let's go. Yeah, I saw those guys. Oh, this guy's not even that good. He's just a little chunk.
That's rare, huh?
Blue crankbait? Yeah, dude, on the new rod. Right?
Yeah. I got it.
It's so sharp. Double trouble.
Nice, dude.
You
beat me.
Little chunky.
Right there, not giant, but
let's go.
definitely cool. Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Cool. Double release.
There's a lot of fish over here. This is good. I'm glad you got a crankbait fish too.
All right, buddy. See ya.
Yep. Oh, I just broke off. I had a good one, dude. Yep. Dude, I had a good one, dude. That was it right there. He broke me right off. Gosh, dude. All right. Nice one. Nice fatty. What is he? 19 and a quarter. Almost 19 and a halfer. Right. Oh, look at him. Yeah, baby. Yours is almost just as long. It's probably 19.
Ooh, hurry it up.
All right. This camera will show you what. All right, guys. All right, guys, that was fun. We're just mostly throwing the moving baits there.
That was pretty sweet, man. I lost the good one at the end, which pisses me off, but that was awesome, man. We got some quality. The ones we did get were nice.
It was nice that each of us got a 3-pounder because it'd been a few weeks for me since catching one that big, so that was cool.
Chunkers.
But yeah, it was beautiful out here. It sucks to get off the water now because it's like
I don't want to leave. I may fish from shore for an hour. I'm sick.
7:30. It's like you got kicked out and you still got about 45 minutes of light. This is like the prime time too, but it was fun. We boated some fish. That was a good time.
Yeah, thank you for taking
Yeah, for sure. Especially just for just a quick couple hours in the water too to catch a few good ones like that. But
it's so nice out, dude. I don't want to leave.
But thanks for watching, guys. And see you soon.
See you next time.